On the 31st of July 1971, astronauts David Scott and James Irwin drove the first lunar roving vehicle on the Moon during the Apollo 15 mission. Welcome to HistoryPod. The earlier moon landings of Apollo 11, 12 and 14 had demonstrated that astronauts could land safely and return to Earth, but movement on the surface of the moon was limited by the distance they could walk while carrying life support equipment. Engineers therefore developed an electric vehicle that could be folded for transport within the lunar module and deployed after landing. Designed to operate in the Moon's low gravity and rough terrain, the rover could carry scientific instruments and cameras alongside rock samples. On the 31st of July 1971, Scott and Irwin unfolded the Lunar Roving Vehicle for its first journey. Driven by electric motors and a hand-operated steering system, the vehicle could travel at speeds of up to around 13 kilometres per hour. The astronauts visited geological features near the landing site in the Hadley-Apennine region, collected samples and deployed scientific experiments, while television images transmitted from the rover allowed audiences on Earth to observe the exploration. The rover performed effectively throughout the mission despite a minor steering problem that was later resolved. Over 3 separate lunar excursions, Apollo 15 travelled a total distance of approximately 28 kilometres, several times further than had been achieved on earlier moon landings. This enabled the crew to examine a much wider range of geological formations and return a larger collection of lunar material for scientific study. The successful use of the Lunar Roving Vehicle transformed the final Apollo landing missions, with both Apollo 16 and 17 using similar vehicles to allow more extensive exploration of the Moon.